Hi, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Thank you for tuning in for this episode. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make one of my favorite vegan desserts. This is the Nutty Pina Colada cake. It is kind of like an upside down pineapple cake, but I added some sweet goodness to it. So this is the ingredients. If you'd like to see the ingredients, feel free to pause this video. I'm going to start off with a greased or a sprayed baking pan, and I am going to add some brown sugar. I have a 1/4 cup of brown sugar in my hand. I'm going to I'm sprinkling the brown sugar throughout the pan. I just want to make sure that it's done evenly. Now I am going to add some coconut solids to it. This is basically coconut oil, but in a solid form. And I believe I have about an 1/8 cup to a 1/4 cup of coconut oil solids. In addition to that, I am going to spread out some toasted walnuts. I'm adding in some toasted walnuts right after the coconut oil. And I am going to be adding in some pineapple. I used some canned pineapple, and I think it's called pineapple tidbits. I didn't use the pineapple chunks because they would be a bit too big for this recipe. So I'm adding in a few pieces of pineapple tidbits. And I have about a 1/4 cup of pineapple tidbits, a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of pineapple tidbits. Coconut shreds. This is organic unsweetened coconut shreds. I am adding in a total of 1/2 cup of coconut shreds, and I am going to go back with another 1/2 cup, sorry, not a 1/2 cup, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and I am going to spread out that brown sugar evenly. You want to make sure that your ingredients, your topping, your cake topping is spread out evenly, because you definitely want, when you're ready to pour in your batter, you want to have even distribution. So as you guys could see, I'm basically creating a flat surface with the cake topping, just so that when I pour in my batter, everything looks good and evened out. So now I'm going to be working on my batter, my cake batter. In this bowl I have my flour and my sugar, as well as some baking soda. So flour, sugar, baking soda in this bowl. And now I'm going to be combining my liquid ingredients. In my measuring jug I have a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, I believe 3/4 cup. I'm adding in some almond milk to my pineapple juice. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. A 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar. You want to mix that up for a tad, but you don't want to over mix it. I'm going to form a well in my flour mixture, or my dry ingredient mixture, and I am going to stir that batter. You don't want to over mix it because it has vinegar and baking soda. So you just want to mix it until you have a smooth batter. So once you arrive at that smooth batter consistency, as you can see, you want to stop. So now I'm going to pour my batter in my ready prepared cake pan. And I believe the cake pan I'm using today is a 9 by 9 inch cake pan, and it's also non-stick. You want to spread out your batter evenly. Love making this cake in times of celebration. This is definitely not a vegan treat you'd want to eat every day because, again, it is high in fats, but it tastes so delicious. So delicious. So delicious that it didn't even last a week. So this is basically it. This is what the end product looks like. Thank you so much for tuning in for this episode of Vegan Cuisine with Madam Sophie. If you try out this recipe, feel free to tag me in and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Stay tuned for some more vegan recipe cooking videos with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Bye.